we're headed for our first day with ethnic travel. An excellent company. We've met Tina.
Hi, I'm Tina. I'm from Vietnam.
Tina is our guide for the first couple of days, and we're headed to Mai Ta. She just keeps producing laminated cards. It's incredible. Okay, show me the alphabet.
How many alphabet in English?
26.
Oh, exactly. 26. How many in Vietnamese?
25. 29.
29.
Oh,
No,
there's three types of O.
Yeah. We don't have J. We don't have W and Z, right?
Ah.
Repeat again.
How is that different?
Is more higher.
Okay.
This one. Is more down. And here. Air. Like elephant.
Meat. Mango. Soy. We are at a place in Mai Ta city called Bun Chan. It has some beautiful statues of Buddha. Just making our way to the first stop, so this is one of the stops along the way.
Vietnam has so many beautiful temples with so much stunning design, sculpture, and art. It must feel to you watching like I'm always in temples, and it's possibly true. We go to a fair amount of these places because they are beautiful and weave lots of the history and storytelling of their culture into the philosophies of Buddhism. But do you know what is just as beautiful? This close-up of Paul. He's single.
What do you think of your surroundings, Paul?
Seriously, this place has such a serene and yet somehow still stimulating and engrossing feeling to it. The garden and courtyard are so impressive, and everything is kept meticulously clean by the monks.
Someone brought her hat.
Some people say that you grow out of hyperactivity issues. I disagree.
Listen to the guide. Hey, stop. Shh. Oh, huh?
The Mekong River Delta region has a vibrant lifestyle punctuated by lots of awesome little boat trips over rivers and through canals.
Going to the backwater.
This is such a typically charming thing to see in Vietnam. I can't explain why it is so nice other than it is just simple and fun.
Gates are open, and there's one boat going through here.
Paul, drink the water. It's not salty. No.
Don't drink the water.
Safely back on land.
Speaking of which, land is where the delicious fruit that is abundant all throughout Vietnam grows. Wow, these traditional singers have tons of character.
We tried a whole bunch of awesome things. Toast the lungans are delicious. All the fruit was really good. We're in the Mekong now, we can tell.
When it's not boats, it's rickety little other vehicles.
You have for safety, you have these loops here. For safety. We're taking a Saloy or a tuk-tuk or a rickshaw, auto rickshaw, to the village.
La, 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 la.
Right now we're headed into a coconut candy workshop. It's delicious and I'm probably gonna buy a bunch because last time I brought this home it was a big hit. So here we go. So it's jam-packed with people, but we're basically getting a less malt. Coconut and malted sugar. 1 hour. 1 hour mixing.
can try with the candy.
Tastes like a light caramel, lots of coconut milk flavor. It actually tastes not heavily sweet, but still really delicious. A famous product of the Mekong Delta. Better eat it again, just to make sure it's good.
Yep. Thank you.
Come.
Ooh, refused booze sample intercepted by the Russian.
So we've launched right into the tour here.
Thank you.
Come on.
And everything comes with baby coconut. I'm not complaining at all about it.
Come on.
Cheers. Cảm ơn. Cheers.
Well, we're gorging on coconut candy, and the next stop is to go to Bun Cha and stay at our eco homestay.
Phà. Phà. It means the ferry. But
Phà.
the small ferry we call it phà.
Pha. This area is connected by all sorts of boats, but there's also apparently 10 bridges. The ferries are cheap. Walk-on price 10 cents. With a scooter, only 25 cents. This really does bear a lot of resemblance in a way to certain parts of Kerala in India. Home sweet homestay.
It might look low-key, but it was comfortable, authentic, and the food we were served was awesome.
What does it look like inside a homestay? There's 2 beds, a bathroom behind that wall with a water heater and a toilet, and a fan, and a desk, and some Wi-Fi. And you stay over here. You've got a little balcony. Lots of beautiful things to see. You gotta step carefully. But here we are. Pretty jungly and nice. Everything's got kind of a handmade quality to it. Lots of lush greenery. Let's go a village walking. Beautiful area. Beautiful flower. Beautiful plants. Natalia. Also beautiful. Such a charming area. Beautiful flowers line the streets. Not that any of us care about that.
Fuck off.
And Paul hates flowers. And we got coconuts and bananas blossoming. Blossom also a type of a flower. Sorry to mention it. He asked Paul to smell a flower and he's like, smells like Home Depot. Yeah. Yeah. Smells like Home Depot. Yeah.
So let's skip ahead to dinner.
Cái này là gì?
Tàu hồ hổ với bắp cà rốt kho chay.
Carrots and mushrooms. Well, it's quite a feast indeed here in the Mekong River Delta. Food is very wholesome. Beautifully cooked vegetables. Lightly fried banana flour fritters. We got some rao, which as everyone out there knows is bok choy. Steamed rice. Some nicely cooked tofu.
Early to rise the next morning for day 2.
We're walking to another village called
Con lò gạch cũ.
Con Lagat Ko.
It means the old brick factory.
Old brick factory. Cool.
Cool.
Let's go see what that's like. And while we're at it, we'll see if we can take any of Paul's walls down. Yeah. It started. Stay tuned for more, Tur. We're getting back on the little ferry again. Mr. Fung.
Ladies and gentlemen, now.
That's us.
Welcome you. Come here, please. Is it okay?
Beautiful.
Let me start from this machine.
It's a clay extruder.
Đất này. Đất.
Makes a brick.
Đất.
And then they have to be fired in a kiln.
After cook, keep inside of here.
It's a brick
Yeah. We put
house. we're touring the facility and letting it all hang out because it's a brick house. So they use the husk of rice to fire the bricks, and they cook the bricks how long?
1 month.
1 full month, 24 hours. Wow, okay. I don't know to where or why, but we're getting on another
We
boat.
took a boat ride to a similar sort of experience as yesterday, but this was awesome of ethnic travel because they remembered we didn't want to go to zoos, animal farms, and kept us away from seeing stuff that is depressing, like civets in tiny cages being force-fed coffee beans.
2 women fighting over a coconut.
Cái mà nãy ngược cái nãy đi. Nó ít có lực hơn mình bên đây xô qua.
She's like, keep your hands off.
So easy that you
Ngon. Ngon. Come on.
This place was a lot more focused on eating fresh, mature coconut, so I'm not even close to complaining about that either.
Headed to another village to do some walking and some chilling.
We saw more of Vietnam's amazing skills at art and handicrafts, and met this charismatic lady
Oh, there's
making
some nice
grass mats
village
with her
art.
daughter.
Qua có phải từ. Rồi đó làm gì làm đi.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Khỏe không?
Qua có phải khỏe không kìa má? Nó trả lời. Khỏe.
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 Good.
72 tuổi rồi.
72 years old.
Wow.
Ồ, 72 tuổi. Ngoài 4
8 meters. One day, 2 women do like that.
8 meters?
Yeah, one master 2 meters.
What do they use this for? Sleeping on. Oh, okay.
Because the light is in the sun on the top, and we don't use masters.
Oh, okay.
We want a salty water, we have this one.
Mm.
We can cut and we fry on the sun 3 day, 4 day, like this, and we use for make.
Nice.
Unique rides on tuk-tuks and boats.
Does he want us to help paddle? Bonsai pineapple. I've been asked to give a tattoo. Okay, here? Like same? Same?
Yes.
After defacing this lovely person's body against the wishes of the singular male Sky Lord, we went cycling, and it was pleasant. Then it was back to the boat.
Really, really love the South. You should make sure you do a little bit of touring of the South. Bentre, B-E-N-T-R-E, Bentre is really nice. The floating markets of Kairang. All sorts of places around here that are really, really nice to see. And if you like little boat rides like I'm on right now, they're actually quite cheap. You can take little ferry rides back and forth across the different islands and different spots. You can ride bikes all over the canals and the little sidewalks. You can rent a scooter and do it that way. Lots of awesome stuff to see. Lots of cheap, affordable homestays. Lots of pure, fresh food, just like rice, vegetables, and seasoning. And you can even go a little deluxe and rent a houseboat like this here.
It was time to hop back to the homestay for dinner and to become the laughingstock of all the cooks there during our cooking lesson.
A kind of fun job.
Is that all the seasoning going in from stuff?
Mushroom has an name, yeah.
That's MSG, right? Sugar, salt, muối.
Sugar, you know.
Đường.
Master chef, 100 pounds.
Just cleaning up the space before the next stage of prep.
That scared me the most. How it can be two?
Seems like they're getting us to do prep that they didn't want to do, I gotta be honest. She's stirring pre-fried ingredients that are starchy into the ingredients that are seasoned, because the water that is coming out of the ingredients that are seasoned will be absorbed by the starchy fried vegetables, so that when you cook them, they don't burst or make you angry with their spluttering.
Very easy. Of course, Paul and I will be able to replicate her spring rolling ability.
Wow.
Yeah, continue.
Make spring rolls.
I didn't go quite long enough on that one, but I can.
Master Chef.
What? Not good?
Loser than the brother of Master Chef. Who's which one is the nice one? Tell them.
This is what I was hoping to do.
I already rated.
I'm on vacation.
I want to take photo of Master Chef, okay?
Show me the other white people who can do this with such precision. They don't exist. Oh, burst it. That one's gonna fall apart, but that's okay. We'll hide it in Paul's section. This will just be a crappy one we use later.
Yeah.
We did still learn a lot about food origins from one of our hosts.
This one is really famous in Vietnam, so every time when we have party, we try to make this one because it's together. It means like reunions. So that's also why we have many anniversary, like that anniversary, many more. And you know, when we cook the food, we offering for the ancestor. Of course, they cannot eat. So that's the chain. We can like meet each other and we can talk. We can share everything.
So I just want to thank Ethnic Travel for the enriching cultural experience of getting laughed at in a Vietnamese kitchen. It is so true to a Vietnamese.
Broken, please double wrap.
Like I said, an incredibly enriching experience to be completely made fun of, even though we have so many cooking skills between us. To fry?
Yeah. Because you are Master Chef.
Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Tonight on Master Chef, yeah, we're going to make spring rolls. These spring rolls are raw. God, come here, you. You're a donkey.
Barack Obama.
Yeah.
Yeah. How is yeah.
Well, look, we wanted to make the spring rolls, but we don't always have the experience. And what do? We do it together. We create change with spring rolls. Now look, I'm not kidding around.
Okay.
She's the vice president of spring rolls, but I got to get things done. I'm taking long pauses between saying things. I'm looking around.
Last time, Donald Trump. Your face, your eyes.
They're eating the dogs. They're putting the dogs into spring rolls. I don't know. They're vegan.
These spring rolls are going to be the greatest.
They have the woke mind agenda. Vegans, okay? Ruining the economy, okay? I don't know. I can't really do a Trump. And that
Shortly after this, I did not get a call from Saturday Night Live.
is how you make spring rolls. Okay, sweet. Yeah, sure. Looks like green papaya salad, tomato roasted tofu, yuba skin, or bean curd skin, a soup, and spring rolls. These are so perfect because we made them with our hands. These perfect spring rolls, we made these. These are the ones we made, Paul. These ones here, these are the ones we made. These, look how perfect and uniform they are because we made them. Southern Vietnamese food is so pure and so nice and so wholesome. We're really enjoying it. Take one more pan over it before I let you go and just stuff my damn face. Look at these beautiful spring rolls we made right here. Look at these ones, this is how they're supposed to be. And look, we got them pretty much perfect.
For Vegan Everywhere, I'm David.